2 weeks ago, I started a future grid trading bot on Finex platform. Today I will show you after 2 weeks what is my profit from this grid trading bot. The most important thing is I only invest only $115 into this bot. So you will have a good idea what would be the profit if you invest around $100 into a future grid trading bot. I'm using kucoin platform. The interface is very simple and even for a newcomer it is a very easy thing to start a bot trading on kucoin platform, and all the bots are free on this platform. Another important thing is there is no need of KYC verification to have an account on kucoin platform, and you can start bot trading without doing KYC verification. If you don't have a kucoin account yet, I have a referral link on the description. If you click that link and create a kucoin account, you will get 20% off from your trading fee. Okay, my last video I explained how to create a kucoin grid trading bot, so I'm not going to explain it again. I will put the link to that video in the description, then you can watch that video after watching this video. And I don't have any idea to close this bot soon, and I'm going to keep it running to get an idea what kind of profit we can get by only investing around $100 into a future grid trading bot. So it will be a great help for you because you don't have to do the investment. I have done the investment and I have taken the risk, so you can observe what is the profit and what is the losses in the coming few weeks. So now let's see what is my profit after running this bot for almost 2 weeks. Okay, when we scroll down, you can see I have invested around $115, and now I'm running this bot for 13 days and 22 hours, almost 14 days, and I have used to leverage of 4x for this bot. Since this is a future trading bot, I can use the leverage, and you can see here it says $789. That is the liquidation price for this bot, because you know, as this is a future trading bot, there is always a liquidation price when you are doing future trading. And now you can see I have almost $14 profit from this bot within 2 weeks. Okay, let's bring the calculator here. We can calculate the percentage for this profit. Okay, let's see, this is $13.8 divided by $115 and multiplied by 100. So it is 12%. That means within 2 weeks I have gained 12% profit from this bot. 12% profit for 2 weeks. It is a significant profit because you know, in stock market the 7% or 10% gain for year is considered as a good return. So this 12% is a very good profit because this is a passive income. I'm not doing anything in this bot, so this is a great income. Imagine you invest around $1,000. That means it will give you around $120 profit within 2 weeks without doing anything. Okay, let's see what will happen to this bot within next few weeks. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon. Here in this channel I am talking about trading, cryptocurrency, bot trading, about passive crypto income methods. So until next time, bye bye.